Hi, so say you have found a reliable source of football data and now you would like to get these updates of football data on a regular basis. It doesn't really matter what the frequency is, it is maybe daily or weekly, doesn't really matter. The goal is to get this data and you don't want to trigger these scripts, your Python scripts you have written on a daily basis manually. And the idea is to automate this. So how can you accomplish this? And the solution depends really on what kind of project you have in mind. So suppose you have a hobby project or some kind of project which is relatively small and doesn't involve like a huge number of computations or transformations of data. For this, you can use, if you're working on Windows operating systems, you would use a task scheduler. And if you work on Linux or Mac, it would be a crontab service. Both these solutions allow you to run your Python scripts or Python jobs, if you will, on some kind of schedule which you choose in advance. These two solutions allow you to run your scheduled jobs locally on your local computer. But the problem is you need to have your computer turned on. If you don't want to depend on your local machine, you would probably need to upload your scripts and your schedule to the cloud. And it doesn't really matter which cloud you would use. You can use AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, or even DigitalOcean. It doesn't really matter. And the beauty of the crontab, which is normally used in Mac or Linux systems, is that this kind of solutions is also available on the cloud. So whether you're on Windows or Linux or Mac system, if you're working with the cloud, you will very likely to use crontab as well. Now, if you have a more heavy project in mind, which requires more computation, more transformation, and different dependencies between different jobs of the workflow, you would probably need something more heavy than just a crontab or task manager. So it would be probably something like Airflow, Airbyte, Prefect, or Mage. Click like if you find this video useful and subscribe to never miss a single update on the matter.